Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming the exact Gmail identity you will encode, because accuracy avoids bounced messages and confusion. Sign into that account, check personal info so the address and display name are correct, and decide whether you want a raw email, a mail tow, link with subject/body, or the Google profile URL. Each serves a different purpose. Once decided, copy the single string you will turn into a QR code. Make sure there are no extra spaces or commas. Now generate the code. Open a reliable QR tool and paste your chosen string because format matters. Mailtow. Links open compose windows. vCard imports contact info. Customize size and error correction. M or Q balances scannability and logo overlays. Choose SVG for crisp printing and PNG for quick sharing. If you want brand consistency, add a small logo at the center but keep contrast high. Once configured, export at 300 dpi for print or a 1000 finish by testing. Scan the QR with an iPhone camera, an Android camera, and a third-party app to confirm it opens the intended action, compose, add contact, or show profile, because different apps handle Mailtow and vCard differently. Deploy the image in your signature, print collateral, or website with a safe, quiet zone around it. If people can't scan, increase contrast, reduce logo size, or boost error correction to H. Retest after each change until reliable across devices.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.